Are you a short woman over 50 struggling to find outfits that flatter your figure? I totally get it. It can be tough to find styles that truly work for your height. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share the top styling tricks that will help you enhance your look and make you feel more confident in your clothes. And here's the best part. There's a bonus tip at the end that you absolutely won't want to miss. So stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about the importance of avoiding oversized clothing. I know that comfort is key, especially as we get older, but oversized pieces can actually make you look shorter and wider, two things we definitely want to avoid. When your clothes are too big, they tend to swallow you up, hiding your shape and making you appear shorter than you actually are. Stick to clothing that fits your body well, not too tight, but just right. It's all about finding that balance where your clothes skim your body rather than drown it. Next up is choosing the right fabrics. This might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Heavier fabrics like thick knits, stiff denim, or bulky wools can add unnecessary bulk, which can weigh you down visually. Instead, opt for lighter, more structured fabrics that drape nicely and give you a sleeker look. Fabrics like cotton blends, soft wools, and even silk are your best friends here. They offer structure without the weight and allow your natural shape to shine through. For example, a well-tailored silk blouse can make you look effortlessly elegant without adding bulk to your frame. It's all about creating that smooth, elongated line that we're aiming for. Now, let's dive into the magic of monochromatic outfits. If you haven't tried this yet, you're in for a treat. Wearing a single color from head to toe creates a continuous line, which is one of the simplest ways to look taller. And don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to stick to boring neutrals, although they do work wonders. You can play with different shades of the same color to add depth and interest. For example, a dark navy top paired with slightly lighter navy trousers and a matching coat can create a cohesive look that elongates your frame. Vertical lines are another secret weapon. Whether it's stripes, seams, or pleats, anything that draws the eye up and down will give the illusion of height. For example, a pair of trousers with a sharp crease down the front or a blouse with vertical pinstripes can instantly make you look taller. This tip is especially great for those with an apple-shaped body. Vertical details help to elongate your torso and balance out your proportions, making you look more streamlined. This is one of those subtle tricks that can make a big impact without anyone even realizing why you look so put together. High-waisted clothing is a game changer. High-waisted pants, skirts, and shorts are perfect for elongating your legs and creating the appearance of a longer torso. This tip works wonders for almost everyone, but if you have an hourglass or rectangle shape, you'll really love the effect. High-waisted pieces help to accentuate your waist, making your legs look longer and your torso more proportionate. Pair high-waisted trousers with a tucked-in blouse or a cropped jacket to really enhance this look. And don't forget, when you're choosing a high-waisted skirt, go for one that hits just above the knee. This length is perfect for elongating your legs without cutting off your silhouette. The key is to draw the eye upwards, giving the illusion that your legs start higher than they actually do, which is exactly what we want. Let's move on to footwear. This is one of the most important aspects of your outfit, especially when you're petite. Nude shoes that match your skin tone are fantastic for lengthening your legs. The idea here is that the shoes blend with your skin, creating one long line from your hip down to your toes, which makes you look taller. And here's a tip I live by. Pointed toe shoes are your best friend. They create a longer leg line, which instantly makes you look taller. Whether you're wearing flats, heels, or even boots, choosing a pointed toe over a round one can make a huge difference in how your legs look. But be cautious with ankle straps or overly chunky shoes. They can cut off the leg at the wrong place and make you appear shorter. Accessories can also play a huge role in your overall look. Long necklaces or scarves are perfect for adding vertical lines to your outfit, which makes you look taller. But remember, less is more. When it comes to accessories, it's all about balance. Choose accessories that complement your frame without overwhelming it. For example, if you're petite, you might want to avoid oversized bags that can make you look smaller. Instead, opt for smaller, more structured bags that are in proportion to your body size. Delicate jewelry can also be a great way to add some sparkle without taking away from your overall look. A simple long pendant necklace, for instance, can draw the eye down and create that elongating effect we're going for. Scarves work in a similar way, but make sure they're not too bulky. Opt for lighter fabrics that can be draped elegantly around your neck or over your shoulders. Dresses are another area where you can really make your height work for you. Wrap dresses or dresses with a defined waist are excellent choices. They create curves and draw attention to your natural waist, which helps elongate your legs. If you're pear or hourglass shaped, this tip is especially for you. Wrap dresses, in particular, are great because they create a diagonal line across your body, which not only accentuates your waist, but also draws the eye up and down, adding to that lengthening effect. When choosing a dress, go for knee length or just above the knee styles. This length is ideal for making your legs look longer and your overall silhouette more balanced. When it comes to pants and skirts, not all styles are created equal. Straight leg or slightly flared pants are your go-to. They elongate your legs and create a sleek silhouette. For skirts, pencil or A-line styles that hit just above the knee work best. Straight leg pants, in particular, are great because they maintain a continuous line from your hip to your ankle, which makes your legs look longer. Slightly flared pants can also work wonders, especially if you're wearing heels, as they add a bit of volume at the bottom without overwhelming your frame. Avoid overly wide leg pants or floor-grazing skirts unless you're pairing them with heels. Wide leg pants can be tricky because they can add bulk and make you look shorter if not styled correctly. And now for the bonus tip. Tailoring is your best friend. This is something I can't stress enough. It doesn't matter how fabulous the piece is. If it doesn't fit right, it won't look right. Taking your clothes to a tailor can make a world of difference in how they fit and flatter your body. For example, a dress that's just a little too long can be hemmed to hit the perfect spot, instantly making you look taller. Pants that are too long or too wide can be tapered to create a sleeker, more flattering silhouette. Even small adjustments, like taking in a blouse at the waist, can make a big impact on how you look. A little nip here, a tuck there, and you'll be amazed at how much taller and more proportionate you appear. This is a key to looking polished and put together. I'm really curious. Which styling tip from this video are you most excited to try out? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, I know you'll absolutely love the next one on how to look thinner with the right underwear over 50.